What's the meaning of air-marshal? Air-marshal. 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 Air-marshal.
An air marshal is a law enforcement officer who is on board a commercial airplane to prevent and respond to any potential threats or acts of terrorism. They typically travel undercover and are armed with firearms. Air marshals are trained to assess potential threats and take necessary actions to protect the safety of passengers and crew members. Their presence on board is often kept confidential in order to maintain their effectiveness. Overall, air marshals play a vital role in ensuring the safety and security of air travel.